So now we are going to see how to import pandas in Jupyter Notebook. So for that, this is a link where you will find the pandas. Even in the particular description, you will find this particular link for installing the pandas in Jupyter Notebook or in Python. So you have to just copy this. Okay, that is pip install pandas. But before that, we have to know what is pandas first. Okay, so pandas is nothing but it's a Python package that provides a fast, flexible, and expressive data structure to design and to make working with the within the particular data sets which can be labeled. Okay, and it can be easy for our data analysis and prediction wise purpose. So this you can find the different features has been given over here, even for Conda, how to install the pandas, and using PyPI, how to install pandas. Both the things has been provided over here. So now I'm going to show you in the Jupyter Notebook. So in this is nothing but we are going to see the pandas tutorials. That is, first we are going to see pandas is nothing but the Python library, okay, which is widely being used for the data analysis. So what is pandas? So pandas is the Python library which is used for working with the data sets. And it is widely being used in the functions such as analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating the data sets, okay, based on the user input. So why to use the pandas? That will be the next question. And the answer is pandas allows us to analyze big data and make a conclusion based on the statistical theoretics. And pandas can be clean mesh data sets and make them readable and relevant. That will be the ultimate point. Okay. Relevant data is very important in the data science. Okay. So this is regarding the pandas information. Now we are going to see. Now we are going to see how to install pandas. So we have to simply write install. For that, pip install pandas, that you will find in this particular line. Okay, you have to copy this and then go towards your Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we are going to run. Okay, so pip install pandas. So it will start running. Okay, you can see the star sign over here, and that is a black spot is nothing but a kernel is running in the backend to install pandas in our particular Jupyter Notebook. Once it turns, we are going to see how giving a simple example over here. It get recognized and installed successfully. Now we are looking towards the next cell which containing an example. For that you have to write a command or the script that is import pandas, and you have to run that. So it will run. Then next we are giving a simple data set. So for that you can write my data sets equals to car, and in car we have BMW and then Ford and Volvo. So and then we have given the facing of that. So this data we are calling to run with respect to pandas. So to recognize import pandas, we have run this particular data set, and then we are in the particular data, we are just calling what is there in our data. So my var is nothing but the variable which contain pandas dot data frame, and it contain my data sets, okay, which is over here. So all the data sets which is available over here will be printed. So for that you have to write print my var, and you have to run the cell. And now you can see the data has been called in the next cell. This is how you can do. Or here you can write import pandas as PD. Then you can run that. And whenever you just call the particular data in the form of pandas, so you can ignore this pandas and write PD and run your particular cell. Rather than calling pandas, you can just change into the PD and call your data set, and then you can run. So it get recognized, so you can replace pandas into .pt. So stay tuned for the next packages with respect to Python Jupyter Notebook.